My name is Jacob, and for the past 2 weeks I've been uploading daily shorts working on this thing. And she may not be much of a looker now, but arguably she was worse 2 weeks ago. Now in the past 2 weeks, the major things that I've done to this car is get this engine out, take some ancillary bits off of the engine bay, and get that fuel tank out. I also managed to patch up some surface rust on the passenger side door and the passenger side wheel arch, as well as some rust on the roof. So what is there left to do? Passenger side rust, driver side rust, driver side wheel arch rust, somehow get the axle out, replace a load of pipes, clean up the fuel tank, get new brakes, get new tyres, fit a new steering wheel, reattach the handbrake, buy and fit a battery, fix all of the associated electrical issues that will come with that, replace the fog lights, probably get a new radiator, do something about this crash bar, then put the front bumper back on, and then of course refresh and put this thing back in. Yeah. But I'm just doing what I can each day to get this thing to the next level. Now what do I actually want to get done on this thing within the next week? Well, I'm slowly but surely running out of stuff to do on this car that doesn't require any money. So let's tick those things off. I have a welder and some side skirts. I have paint for the fuel tank, so that can go back in. I can give this engine bay a bit of a freshen up. If that kind of thing interests you, then join me daily on Instagram, TikTok or YouTube Shorts to follow the journey. Thank you for once again watching me ramble about my MR2. Next week's video will hopefully be a bit more planned, so it won't just be me standing here talking to you guys like this. Until then though, I've been Jacob, that's been my MR2 project. See you in the next one.